like I'm stupid. Out there f***ing with a nigga named Dorian. My mama said she seen you post on your page talking about you waiting on that nigga to come through. I hope the nigga get your ass syphilis, hoe. Dirty, stinking, lying, cheating, conniving, bitch. I don't want your ass no more anyway, hoe. Your feet too motherfucking big. I should shoot your grandmama's station wagon up when I get out. Molly head, bitch.
I'm a damn near, what the hell am I so right? I'm a damn near do, might interrupt them while talking, I don't know. Hey.
Yo, what's up? Oh my, you look good.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
What the hell y'all doing? Having a sleepover?
No, it's a daytime.
So?
We smoking weed. What?
Y'all need to start smoking that weed.
Huh?
Y'all need to start smoking weed and smoke cigarettes.
Oh, the hell? That's how you come here? The hell?
What?
That's the Don't do that. No. Hold on.
No.
He played too much. You play too much.
Who?
He definitely played.
You play too much. You play too much. Where you from?
I smoke Camels.
Camels? Oh, nah. Yeah, that's some type of cigarettes. Where you from?
Alaska.
Alaska? Where your jacket at?
Right here.
Ain't Alaska like -0?
No.
Word?
It don't snow all the time here.
How old are you?
Y'all failed geometry, huh? Geography, whatever you call it.
Lola, you fell too.
No. I did not fail that class. That was one of the easiest classes. You just caught you a deer or something?
Nah, you don't catch him.
What you mean you don't catch them?
How fast are they?
I don't know. What you do to them then? You don't catch them. What the hell you talking about?
Hello?
Boo boy.
What?
Boo boy.
What you talking about?
What are you looking at?
Ugly motherfucker wolf.
You must look at your damn self, then. Cause ain't shit ugly around this motherfucker, bitch. Y'all, it's hard to fucking interrupt them because they talking too fast.
Oh, nah. Where you from? That time.
I'm from Alaska. I can't add no time.
What you mean you can't add no time?
Because I'm looking at your ceiling fan.
What's up?
Hey, Michael.
What's up with you?
What you doing? Who?
What's cracking? Rakisha.
Yeah, what's cracking?
First of all, Logan Paul and Jake Paul, motherfucking name ain't no motherfucking Keisha. Why you got that music so loud?
Is too loud for you?
Yes.
You don't listen to Young Boy?
No. I don't give a fuck.
You like for me? I sure no problem. What's up?
Can you let them sing the song?
Who is you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
You not talking to me. What is you braiding? Why is you braiding?
I'm not braiding shit.
It's curly, so why is you braiding it?
Do you know what braiding is?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yes, I do.
You got some braids?
Huh?
You got some braids?
Oh.
Don't know what the hell no braid is. This ain't no motherfucking braid.
Yo, who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
You can't be.
What do you mean? It's an A and B.
You talking crazy right now.
How?
You must. Well, I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt because you don't know who I am.
Hey, motherfucker, I don't give a fuck who you is.
Period. Ooh.
Let me give you the benefit of the doubt because you don't know who I am, but just know you gotta chill, alright? Because I don't tolerate all that.
Hey, I don't know what the hell you talking about.
I'm talking about how you talk.
I'm talking how I talk.
Right. You ain't gonna talk to me like that.
Why you all up in the camera? Why you all up in the camera?
Yo, Atom. Yo, why you talking
What you
like
want me to
that?
have time for?
Yo, why you talking like that for?
Like what? You from New York?
How you automatically assume I'm from New York?
Cause I can hear it. I can hear it.
I'm originally from New York, but I just moved down to Atlanta like last month.
Is that a fake ass accent? Yes.
This is how I talk.
That's how you talk?
Alright, see, why you doing that? Add more time. Yo, where you from?
I'm from Alaska.
From Alaska?
Yes. Where are you
It ain't
from?
cold down there?
Yes, it's cold.
I'm originally from New York, but I just moved to Atlanta last month.
Oh. You got kicked out of New York? They booted you?
I ain't get kicked.
You got ran out?
I ain't get kicked out. I ain't get ran out. Don't do that.
How are you smacking on soda?
I watch your YouTube. I watch your YouTube.
You don't watch me on shit, motherfucker.
Yeah, I did. I swear I did.
Close your mouth.
What's up, babe?
I ain't your baby.
Make me close.
You was my baby.
You look like young boy. And you just look a hot ass mess over there. Oh, what am I supposed to be doing? Interrupting people. Young lady.
Young lady.
Why you ain't got your face in the camera?
Young lady.
Young lady. I can't see what you are. You're...
Well,
Who you? You.
What up?
What up?
What you doing?
Smoking cigarettes? What you doing?
About to do some crack?
Oh, that's what's up. My auntie do crack. She smelled that crack rock. Get your off this app if you gonna be in the shower. Y'all, I'm damn near finna do a lit playlist. I don't know what monkey video to do. Y'all need to help me. That's what I'm gonna do. Telling everybody to shut up on the monkey app. Because that other prank is not working. Hello. I know you ain't pissing while you on the monkey app.
not.
What the hell you doing? Oh, you nasty bitch.
I'm like this. I'm like, nigga. I'm like,
can y'all shut up?
Why the fuck you have to be a nigger, bitch? Like, why the fuck you have to be so rude?
What do you mean?
You stupid black. Hey, it's always the black bitches. I swear, fucking bitch.
So you ain't black, bitch?
I can't take another minute of this bullshit. Oh!
I'm pretty sure I'm messing until your ass shut up too.
What is that?
I ain't say nothing. Where you going? Your side bitch house? What?
What?
You going back to your side bitch?
Back to Atlanta. Back to Atlanta.
Oh, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Checkmate. I be checking this. I'll play too much.
Oh, nah, I'm good. Good looking, though, bro. Appreciate it. What up? Where you from?
Can you shut up? Thank you. Can you shut up?
Yeah, you're sexy. I'll do anything I need to do.
Thank you so much. I highly appreciate it.
Tell me something else to do.
I'm not finna play. See, this is what I need. I can't do shit on here.
Really did think that. Hey.
Hey.
How's your day? What you doing today?
Amazing.
Amazing.
I'm gonna go feed some cows later.
Oh, yeah. Well, from where? You're on a ranch or something?
I live by a ranch, yeah.
Yeah, what, you go walking past there or something like that?
I drive past them. I be trying to run them over sometimes.
What the fuck? You're gonna be throwing salary like, hey,
I just be trying to make some tacos, you know.
there you go.
What be wrong with me? I be saying the most random shit.
What up?
Can you shut up?
up. You
Hey.
gonna get on this app, but when I answer, you gonna tell me shut the fuck up. I'll smack the shit out you.
Please smack me.
The fuck's in
Y'all
that
always
ass,
on here
fuck,
talking.
I can see that shit. Don't try to hide that shit.
What he say?
Yo,
What's up, thug?
Yo, ugly.
I'm ugly.
Like my dick, bitch.
You must not have seen yourself, bitch. Like,
She wanna fuck your ass. Ooh.
no, I don't.
Huh?
No, I don't.
What's up? Hey, how are you doing?
You not supposed to be at school?
What? I got some big ass lips.
Hey,
Yeah.
stop talking about my lips. Ain't you supposed to be at school?
I'm supposed to be at school. You
What?
that kept. I graduated.
Oh. Like you in the goddamn trenches.
They just have my they just have my house seat. You know what I'm
Hell
saying?
no, I look like slavery.
Damn, you cute.
Hey, shut up.
I was a little wake up with your ears, man.
What?
I thought your eyebrows fucked up, nigga.
Hey, let me tell you something. Lift the camera up. So your eyebrows fucked up. I changed from dear one. I talked to this nigga about 7 times, motherfucker.
What, nigga?
Oh, I thought she was finna show your dick, nigga. I was finna hang the f up.
I don't do that. That's nasty.
Period.
Y'all, this motherfucker, I'm gonna give this another try tomorrow because I'm just wasting footage at this point because I don't know what fucking video to do. I'm gonna ask y'all and then do it. I'm finna film a lit playlist. I'll see y'all in the next video.
God bless.